this is Joy with Joy's Happy Hobbies, and it's also Joy's Putty. I'm glad to have you here. I'm gonna demonstrate something tonight. I think I have the first one. I'm not sure. I haven't seen it anyplace else. Right now, I'll give you a little bit. I'm working on a painting. It's called Marine to Life by Diamond Art Club. It's a rather old one. And I'm glad you guys are here. Welcome. If this is your first time, I hope you like it. I hope you come back. Hope you subscribe. Hope you like. Hope you hit the notification bell so you know when my videos come up. I've got the e-painter, as you can see, and there's been a lot of hubbub about the e-painter 2 on Facebook. Yes, even though I make putty, I went ahead and I bought this because I just wanted to see what it was all about. So I'm trying it. The one thing that, stands out, with everybody is the pens that come with the e-painter are single placers. If you're a multi-placer, ain't gonna do you any good. I know there's people making 3D printed pens for these already. I know there's a couple of groups out there that they're making them and selling them now. But I have something neat to show you. I have a friend, Cheryl Morgan, and her guy has made these multiplacers. Isn't that cool? And I'm going to demonstrate how it works. The one thing that's a drawback on it is you can only have one type of tip on these pens. These are the pens that come with your kits. Most of us all have the custom diamond pens now where you can put a single tip and then a multiplacer on the other end. Well, this one you can only have one tip on it at a time. So Cheryl's guy, he actually developed this on the computer, and he styled it. This is a 4-placer. It's got 4 holes there. I'll take the tip out here, and this is how the end of it looks with the hole there, so the air will go through. Put that back on there, and so there is a hole right in that center. I don't know if you could see it. Oh, there's a vacuum hole in there. So I'm going to test this out with you. I played with it a little bit this afternoon so that I wouldn't look so clumsy on camera. So we're going to play with this. And also I do have, let's see, she also sent me the 5-placer. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in there. Oh, and this one you can kind of see that little darker hole there. That's the air hole where the suction comes into play. And then, whoops, I'm stuck to my painting. And then she also has sent me 3-placer. And there's the 3 holes there. Yeah, you can see that darker hole there is where the air goes through, or the vacuum picks up. So I believe she's got the first prototype of this. So I'm going to test it. There are drawbacks of it. every time you want to change placers, you'd have to either have a couple of these pins to change off with, or take the tip off and put the single tip back on, or take this tip off and replace it with the 3-hole one, and take that off and replace it with the 4 placer. So I'm going to show you this on camera. I turned it on there. There's the on switch, and it's hooked up to the air hose there. That's kind of like a little filter, I guess, right there. And we'll see how this works. Now, I'm not professional on this YouTube, so bear with me. Okay, so I think I need to get this over just a little bit more so we can see this. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. Now see there, the placer itself has these little ridges on the end, and that's where the drills have to fit in to not leave a gap in the vacuum, so that they all get picked up. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, my focus doesn't work really good on this camera. There we go. I don't know if you could see the ridges on there. Maybe a little bit. Let's see if it'll focus, 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 focus. Nah, I don't think it's going to focus for me. I'm sorry, guys. You can kind of see them. Hey, camera. See, you can kind of see. There's little ridges there. Anyway, so we're going to pick up, okay, so the drills are on there. I already got the drills on there, and we're going to move my tray over here, and we're going to lay them down. Okay, there we go. They're on there. You can see a little bit crooked. I might have to put my other light on one more time. There we go. Now I'll be able to see it better. Okay, so we try it again. All right, so there's the drills on the end there. Here we go. There we go. They're down there. Now the only thing is this is a 4-placer. The placers, the 3-placer, the 2-placer, the 4-placer, 5-placer, that's what you use it for. You can't just pick up 1 or 2 like you do with a regular plastic placer or a metal placer that you use on our diamond penny pins. It's built to actually have the suction for all 4 holes or 5 holes on there. So if you fill up 4, let's see, this one I've got 2 symbols left. I cannot just go, let's see. Yeah, it's I can do it, but it's a little more difficult, or you can't do it at all. So it's up to you to try. But so this is how it works. All right, we've got our drills on there, and I'm going to place it down here. There we go. You do hear a little noise from the vacuum. It's not too bad. And the cord, I'm not really having that rough a time with the cord attachment here. I'm not, it's not bothering me that much. But like I said, it's not going to be, this is not going to be for everybody. I still like the sound of the pop that my putty gives, or all putties or wax. And the inconvenience of having to change the tip every time you want to do a different placer or do a single. Let's see, it's working. The tips are going on there, or the drills. And I have tried the other placers and they work. So I can pick up, let's see, look at that. I can pick up 3. It's working better for me now than when I was testing it before. I can only pick up 4 with the 4 placer, but it's working now. As you see. So her name is Cheryl Morgan, and she's making these to sell. So it looks like it's working really well. It looks like it's doing, like I said, there is a little bit of inconvenience involved in it. But if you practice with it just for a little bit, you get it down. So bravo, bravo. Now Cheryl's, her other half has made these. I didn't catch his name. I don't know what his name is. I can't just call him her other half. I cannot, it doesn't look like I can pick up a single one with it, but I can pick up 2. I can pick up 2, see? You can't pick up 1, but you can pick up 2. And let's see, can I pick up 3 with it? Yeah, I can pick up 3 with a little bit more. You just have to be a little careful. Just have to be a little careful with it. I get this straight. I'm working with squares here, guys, so I don't know if you know squares, but I'm just going to leave that one there. So let me try this again. Here's the 4. And there we go. All right. So if you want more information on how to get these, you can message Cheryl on Facebook, and she'll get back to you. I don't know how much she's going to sell them for. Other than that, I'm just her tester. I'm just showing what's been made. So if this is something that you're interested in, if you have the e-painter and you want to multiplace, send her a message. She'll be happy to help you. Okay, I don't have any more for 4, so I'm going to take that 1 drill off of there, and I'm going to do a 3 right here. And of course they're squares, so I have to always, but I don't mind. I like squares. I like squares. Yeah, I got that one in kind of crooked. I'll fix that later. So, anyway, this is that. Let me, I'm going to change drills here, and I'll do the 4s, and we'll keep going here. Let me put this back in here. Oh, this tray I'm using also is from, it's from Yellow Dog Designs. It's got the, it's got that little tray back there so that your drills can even up there. And it's got this nice little plug that fits in there like that. So I am going to get my number 4s, and we'll work with that. It's not that loud of a sound coming off the vacuum. I don't think that would even bother me. But I'm still a putty girl. Yes, even though, I make my own wax, I'm still a putty girl. Oops, see, I'm having a little bit of difficulty there. I'm trying to keep this tray here. I'm going to move this over here. There we go. Trying to keep the tray here so that you guys can see me picking up the drills. All right. Let's do another 4 here. Yeah, it's working. Picking up the 4 there. Move the tray over. Okay. There we go. And I saw another video, someone showing this, and if you have a hard time holding the custom pins, or you're a single placer all the way, or you have, your hands hurt, you have arthritis in your hands, this little tool will work really nice with you, because you don't have to press hard to pick it up or to lay them down. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that and give her a message, give Cheryl a message. I'm sure she'll be able to help you. And there you go. So you've got your multiplacers, you've got your single placer, of course, and you got the 3 placer, and you got the 5 placer. So I'm been with the 4 placer for a while now, but I'm starting to branch off with the 5 placer. So let me I'm gonna see how this works with the 5 placer. Here, that's in there nice and snug. Okay, so let's see here. Pick up 5. Look at that. There you go. It's picked up 5, as you can see. And we'll move my tray over. Yes, the cord can kind of get in the way a little bit. But here we go. And there you go. There's the 5. Laid down right there. See that? Okay. So I think that's it. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and hit that notification bell to see more videos. I'm glad, I'm excited about it, even though I'm probably not going to use this all the time. I mean, it's kind of fun, but I still like my pop. I still like my putty. So, but there's going to be a lot of you out there that do like it. So anyway, that'll be it, and come back again. I'll see you on my next video, and I'll say goodnight. Bye.